Hello, everybody. How are you all doing? Welcome once again to a new week, a new video of Thursday Tarot card reading. And like you can see, there are three pack of cards that I have kept in front, labeled O, S, and R respectively. हर बारी की तरह, all you have to do is you have to focus on the three pack of cards. Take your own time, there is no hurry absolutely. Focus on each of the three pile of cards one by one and then close your eyes. Keep your eyes closed and think about the three pack of cards. Whichever particular pack of cards is feeling that you are feeling drawn towards, simply open your eyes and comment that particular pack of cards in the description box below. Whether it is the first one O, second one S, or third one R. There is no hurry, it's a general card guidance for the coming week ahead so that you can take away a good guidance for yourself and accordingly implement your actions in order to have a better week in your life. Once you are done commenting, you can straight away forward this video to the timestamp which I have mentioned in the description box below. Also, before you do that, a quick announcement that I wanted to do is that we have launched our own online academy by the name Karmic Academy, and if you are interested in learning tarot card reading or numerology, you can click on the link and enroll yourself for any of the courses. I will also be taking live sessions for each of the courses and mentoring you throughout the next 1 year. That is 52 live classes will be conducted where you can ask your questions and solve your doubts. You can also interact with other students, so that's the best part about the academy. So now let's move ahead to the Thursday Tarot card reading. Om Sai Ram. If you have commented on the first pack of cards, that is O, this is the weekly guidance for you. It looks like you are wanting an idea, you are looking for a way out, and maybe you are just looking for some kind of direction or guidance in a particular situation. And I also see that maybe there is a lot of stress, confusion, and maybe lot of, I would say, lack of clarity that you are having in your life, maybe that I'm seeing on the cards. It's absolutely okay. There are moments in life where we are just lost, we are confused about what decision we should take. That is how tarot cards will help you. No worries. You need to first of all trust and have faith, okay, in the universe and in your own self. I feel that somewhere down the line you are feeling a little bit shaky, and there is also maybe a lack of confidence which is maybe trying to enter yourself, maybe trying to enter, okay, your life. So just be careful about that. Make sure that if nothing works out, don't worry absolutely. Just have faith and let yourself be a channel for God's work. That is the message which is coming for you. Let go of any kind of stress and worries because the universe will eventually take care of it. It is just a phase. One more important message which is coming for you is that you need to focus on the current situation. That is, if there is a situation, don't try to look at it as a positive or a not positive situation. Just try to learn from the situation. Focus on its teachings. Focus on what is the one particular asset that you are creating out of it. And also, I also see that by the time this week will come to an end, you will eventually maybe come out with a good result, a good outcome, a good solution as well. So overall, I feel that this week looks like a little bit slow in the starting, where maybe you have overworked or you have done too much and now you are just waiting for the outcome to come. But the good part is that maybe after 2 or 3 days from the week starting, that is maybe by Monday or Tuesday, there will be a reason to celebrate, enjoy, and even some kind of success which I see coming up. One more very good thing that I see is that this is the maximum, this is the worst that could have happened in this particular situation that you are feeling stuck in. For example, if you feel that the universe is trying to put too much of pressure on you, it is trying to test you too much. Just don't worry, because this could actually be the worst of the situation. This is the highest level of, the stress that possibly the universe could have given to you. So just try to sail through it, live in the current moment, learn from the experiences of this situation, and like I said, the week will definitely wind up at a positive level. Can you see this beautiful rainbow over here in this card? It tells that every situation has a positive outcome, a beautiful side to it. All you have to do is trust and faith, okay, in your own self and in the universe as well. I also see that there will be a tendency of feeling anxious, or there will be a feeling of uneasiness, as a result of which you might feel like taking some quick decisions. However, I would suggest do not. Try to analyze every situation, take your own time, even if it requires pushing the decision by a day or two. It's absolutely okay. Remember, don't be in a hurry to take any decision. Take your own time, analyze the entire situation, look at every aspect of the situation, and then take a final call. Because once you give a because once you give a decision, I think you might not want to undo it or take it back. Okay, so don't end up entering into any kind of conclusion that you might regret later on. So be very, very careful of whatever decisions and outcomes you take. I also would suggest that maybe you can invest a little bit of time in some good music therapy or sound therapy. Listen to some good music, or maybe just you can actually practice some kind of musical instrument if you have something like that around yourself. Or if nothing works out, you can just simply listen to a beautiful om chanting, which is available on YouTube itself. So try to invest a little bit of time in some kind of sound therapy or music therapy, because I really feel that your vibrations need to be elevated to a higher frequency this particular week. All right, so just remember, take it slow, take it easy, don't be in a hurry to jump into any kind of conclusion. I see a lot of stress, lot of confusion that is building up around you this particular week, but I also see that this week will come to a good outcome, a good winding up stage, and there will be some reason to celebrate and feel happy about. But remember to live in the current situation, because that is what the universe is trying to teach you. I also see that as a remedial part, you can maybe try to donate some kind of food items, like maybe pulses or grams to some animal, because that is the message I'm getting from this particular card. Maybe you could feed an animal, or maybe feed a bird, any kind of rice, grains, pulses, anything that you have in your kitchen. Try to maybe just take a handful of it and do some good karmic action towards the animals this week. I feel that there are a lot of animals which are coming on the cards over here. There is a small monkey over here, there is a horse on this particular card. So I really feel that maybe as a remedial pattern, you can actually do something good towards the animals. Okay, so these are a couple of messages which is coming for you. And I also would recommend one more important message as a remedial part, is that stay away from fire, or stay away from too much of light. Maybe just try to have a dim and soft light around yourself, and stay away from too much of brightness or too much of fire element, because this is a week where you need to channelize your energies through yourself and be calm, composed, and then come to some important decisions of your life. So all the best, have a beautiful week ahead, and I have left the link of the academy below. You can check it out, and I would love to have you as a student in the tarot card reading or the numerology workshop. Take care. Namaste. If you have chosen the second pack of cards for yourself, that is the pack S, then this is the weekly guidance for you. I see that the universe is trying to very strongly hint at the fact that you are maybe stepping a little bit outside of your own karmic route, and trying to compare yourself with another person. Do you know one thing, that every individual, that is you and I and everyone else who is watching this video, has a unique karmic print. You cannot literally compare yourself with another person, yet at the same time you can look at another person's life and draw some inspiration. But you need to remember that there is a thin line between getting inspired and trying to become a copycat. Okay, because the moment you become a copycat, that is the moment when you are trying to basically make your own karma heavy. Okay, so remember, inspiration and copycatting the other person is a completely two different aspects of life. So focus on your individuality, focus on your own inner strength, focus on your core points. Don't try to think that because another person is a certain way, I have to be like that person. Okay, you need to figure out your niche this particular week and work and act on it. That is a one important message which I strongly feel is coming through the cards. Another important message is that this is also a week where you need to focus a little bit more on your personal development, on your inner growth, because I feel that maybe you have been a little bit off track or lost over time. So just try to maybe bifurcate your day into two different parts, where one part will be completely towards your work and something that you have to do for your bread and butter, but the other part of the day will only be dedicated towards your own personal development. Because I do see that maybe over time you have somewhere down the line erased your own potential or your own individuality, and this card is telling me that you need to balance your energies in your body. And also one important card which is telling me is that the card of conditioning, which is basically telling that your journey is unique and different. So stop comparing yourself with another person's journey. Now, very important message that I want to explain to you. So listen to it very, very, very carefully. Okay, these two are very important cards. They are very major cards also, and they talk about being the master of your own destiny, because you are a part of this world. Okay, that basically means that it's like, suppose you decide to travel on a particular route. You do pause on the way and you do ask other people for help and guidance, that which way you have to head towards. So basically these cards are trying to hint towards the fact that even though this particular journey is completely yours individually, still you need to make sure that you get others into consideration, because they also have an important role to play in your life. Now, that being said, basically the message which is coming here over here is that if at all you feel that over time you have left certain people or just boycotted certain people, or maybe you have imbalanced your relationships with certain people, this is the week where I would suggest that maybe just try to resolve your past differences and get back on good friendly terms with them. Because this is a week where your energies are completely hinting you towards, first of all, focusing on yourself, aligning your energies, and then trying to align your relationships with other people as well. That is only how you will be feeling that, okay, I am feeling happy, contented, and complete. There are moments in life where we just feel off, and we feel that nothing is going perfect or awesome. But this is one major reason, that your energies are basically not in alignment. I can suggest a remedy for you. It's a very simple remedy, because when it comes to aligning your energies, we always focus on the 7 chakras of a body. So maybe you can practice a basic 7 chakra healing on yourself, or maybe you can just try to consume each colors which represent each of the 7 chakras throughout the 7 days. Starting with Thursday, start with white color, then Friday with the purple color, then Saturday go on to the blue color, then Sunday go on to the green or pink color, and so on and so forth. So basically you are trying to focus on each of the 7 colors throughout the 7 days of this week, and that is how you will be able to align yourself beautifully in a better pattern as compared to what is right now. Also, I feel that at the workplace, if something is not going as per your expectations, instead of trying to worry that why is it not happening as per my expectation, I would suggest try to recalculate, rethink, and redecide your expectations, whether what you're expecting is actually something that you want, or is it because somebody else wanted it from you. So this week, try to focus completely on what you desire for, and more than that, what your soul desires for. Okay, if you feel like taking a break, do that. If you want to indulge yourself into an activity, go ahead, do that. Basically, this week is all about aligning and balancing yourself. And once again, do not compare yourself with another person. The moment you stop doing that, trust me, there will be a good news coming to you. So with that, I will let you enjoy this week's energy. All the best, have a beautiful week ahead, and yes, I will definitely want to see you as a part of the Karmic Academy, and I have shared the link below in the description box. Take care. Namaste. Hi, if you have commented on the third pack of cards, that is R, then this is the weekly message for you. You know what, this week is completely going to be a game changer, because that is the first message for you. Change. That is, this week you need to do something out of the box. You need to basically change your life patterns and create a new pattern. This is the message which is coming for you. Change. That means whatever you are doing right now, stop and restart again on a different note altogether. And for that, I feel that maybe once you bring in this pattern of change in your life, you will actually be able to decode lot of messages that you have been wanting to get the answers for a long time now. So just remember that change is the first message for you. Keep it simple, because in life nothing is permanent. Constant change is mandatory. Okay, you have seen that, even in the sky, in the universe, have you ever seen that a particular planet is in a stagnant position? No, never. It is constantly in transit, it is constantly moving. This itself says that when the universe is moving constantly, it is constantly changing, then how can you remember stagnant? You also need to basically bring about a change in your life, in your life patterns. Okay, that is the first message for you. So basically, do something really different, do something really exciting, adventurous, and just be yourself. Okay, that is the one most important message which is coming for this particular week. Apart from that, I also see that maybe you are just trying too hard for something which doesn't even require any kind of hard work. Got it? You got the message? Basically, I see that you are putting too much of efforts into a situation which is not even requiring your attention. Okay, so if at all you have been working too seriously on something and you have been just working day night, I would suggest stop, change, and do something else. That is where you will be able to get the real answer and decode the real happiness in your life. Apart from that, I also see a very important message which is basically telling that you need to also start focusing on knowledge, on wisdom, on some kind of information. And for that, you can just read a good book, watch a good documentary, or simply meditate. That is the best way to basically learn from your own wise soul, which has basically traveled a lot. Okay, so try to focus a lot on the knowledge and the wisdom part. It's a very in-depth message, but yes, you need to do that. Okay, also, as far as overall your work is concerned, I feel that the moment you stop trying for something, it will come to you. But the more you try for something, it will go away from you. It is just like a relationship. The more you pamper the other person, that person will take you for granted, and the moment you stop asking for the person, he or she will come back to you. So just take your life like that. Okay, don't basically spend too much of time on one particular thing. Do something, then move on to the next thing, then again. So keep this pattern on and keep your life full of changes this particular week. and I want you to tell me in the comment section below what change you have decided to basically incorporate in your life this particular week. Do you see this beautiful nothingness card over here? It doesn't mean nothingness. It actually means that there is nothing in life which is basically still. Everything is moving, everything is changing, everything is evolving, and so are you. Got it? So that is basically the core message for you this particular week. If you do that, you will be becoming a better aware person, a better aware soul. Okay? I also see this particular card over here, which is the outsider card, which tells that maybe if at all you are feeling a little bit lost or out of place, just try to maybe cut yourself away from the people and society and invest in your own self. Read something nice, eat something nice, watch something good. It is not important that you have to do the daily monotonous routine with every passing day. At times it's very important to take a break, detox yourself, and then rejuvenate yourself, and before you really kickstart a new day again. Okay? So a very simple week, a week full of changes, a week full of surprises, a week full of new energies. But for that, you need to be receptive and willing enough to incorporate this change in your life. I know this was a little bit in-depth kind of message for you this week, but such is life. It is full of changes, right? So take care, have a beautiful week. I will see you soon again. And yes, before that, I would also want you to see, I would also want you to be a part of the Karmic Academy. It's the online academy where we teach courses like tarot card reading, numerology, etc. So I have left the link on the description box below. Feel free to check it out and be a part of the academy. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care. Namaste. Om Sai Ram.